In this video, I will show you how to fix photos not showing in gallery on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now, if you cannot find your photos in the gallery of your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now just tap on the three lines over here and enable Show System Apps. Then tap on OK. After that, in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just open the Gallery app. Go to Storage and tap on Clear Data. Select Delete. After that, just go back and tap on Permissions. And from here, just give your Samsung Gallery all the necessary permission. Just tap on the permission under the Not Allowed section and select Allow. Especially give the Gallery app the access to the photos and videos. Now after you do that, then go back and tap on Gallery Settings. And from here, just tap on About Gallery. Now just check if you have any update available for your Gallery app. If you have any update available, just update your Gallery app. As you can see, our Gallery app is on the latest version. After that, just go back. And from here, you will find the option of Sync with OneDrive. Now, if you have used this Samsung account on another smartphone, you might have uploaded all your photos and videos to the OneDrive on that smartphone. So for that, just tap on Sync with OneDrive and sync your Samsung account with OneDrive. And after you do that, all your photos and videos which are saved on your OneDrive will be available on your Gallery app. Now after you do that, then go back. And under the App section, just search this. Then tap on Samsung Media Storage. Go to Storage and select Clear Data. Then select Delete. After that, just go back. And under the App section, this time just tap on the three dots over here and select Reset App Preferences. And tap on Reset. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and restart your Samsung phone. Now just select OneUi Home and select Always. Then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. And this is how you can fix the photos are not showing in the Gallery app on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.